Hey, how you doing? This is Ty with greenregimen.com, and we are lost in Rio, and that's the name of this smoothie today. I'm out at this beautiful beach in Ipanema. I really want to make a smoothie. I have all the ingredients, but I don't have coconut water because I really feel like I need coconut water for the Lost in Rio smoothie. So let's go find some. Okay, so I have my coconut water, I found it. Now I'm ready to make this smoothie. And not only did I find the coconut water, but I also found someone to make the smoothie for us. And today, that person is Una. She's gonna help us make the smoothie today. It's gonna taste delicious because she's lost in Rio as well. So let's go ahead and make it. So we're gonna start off with some coconut water. So 1 cup of coconut water.
Lichia.
And this is Lichia, which is lychee in English. Now, Lichia is a fantastic fruit. It's high in all types of antioxidants, and it also contains no saturated fat.
Manga.
Next ingredient is manga, and manga is fantastic for our skin, and manga is Manga. Next ingredient is Ameixa. Ameixa is plum, and plums are fantastic because they're filled with antioxidants as well as vitamin C and fiber. And our next ingredient and final ingredient is Couve. 3 leaves of Couve. And Couve is collard greens in the United States. So there we have it. We have our Lost in Rio smoothie. Now I just have to find somewhere to blend it because I don't see any power outlets out here. So I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna have to find some way to blend it. Right? Okay, let's do it. The Lost in Rio smoothie. This looks incredible. For you.
Obrigada.
De nada.
Saúde.
Saúde.
Green Regimen, tudo bom.
Tudo bom. A smoothie a day keeps the doctor away. We'll see you next week.